जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता सेकंड चैप्टर सांख्ययोगम 48th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us along with Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma says, "Ho Arjuna, maintain evenness in your mind. Maintain balanced mind. With that balanced mind, if you perform all your duties, if you do all your works, that is what is called as yogam. Then you are known as you are in the state of samatva sthiti or yogam." How can you attain that evenness in your mind? Here is two things that I am suggesting you to practice for you to attain balance and evenness in your mind. The first thing, you are so much attached with your manas, with so many of your physically related things. It may be your wealth, it may be your property, it may be your physically related people, it may be your friends. I am consciously saying, Arjuna, these are all physical related things, but what you are doing, you are so much attached with your manas, with all of them. So you try to relieve that kind of pressure upon your manas. Because it is attached, manas is attached with all these things, there is so much pressure on your mind. Now try to remove that attachment. It's not a physical attachment, you have to have physical attachment, but do not keep manasika bandham, the attachment with your manas, with all those things. If you can do that, there is so much of pressure is relieved upon your manas. That is one thing that you have to do. Another thing, before you perform your duty, before you take up any undertakings, you will expect some success, profit, joy out of it. Don't do that. The moment you expect something, the moment you set up, you make up your mind for something, then that is also another pressure upon your manas. Don't do that. Keep performing your duties. You make up your mind to accept whatever it comes out of it. Then another big amount of pressure is gone, relieved. When you can make sure your manas is free from these two types of pressure, your manas will be very peaceful. That is what is the manas you need to have to perform your duties. That is when you are known as yogi. That is when it is said you are in the state of yogam. Balanced mind, evenness in the mind can be attained like that. Like this, Krishna Paramatma giving a wonderful means for all of us to attain evenness in our mind. Trying to see that it is practiced in our day-to-day routine, let us now repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Yogasthaha kuru karmani sangam tyaktva धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते। ओम As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, manmana bhava. Become my devotee, mad bhakto bhava. Do all your activities as my service, madhyaji bhava. Do namaskaram to me, mam namaskuru. Surrender to me alone unconditionally, mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry, ma suchaha. Keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. Keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee, and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall always keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep reading at least one Gita sloka every day. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Maharshi. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naranchaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. Suta Maharshi disclosing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, one day Parikshit, on his way, he got to see a surprising thing. You know what? What is that? Dharmadevata took a form of Vrishabham, and Bhumata took a form of Gomata. Then Gomata started walking on only one leg, 1 feet. Then also that Gomata started moving to tears. The tears are rolling down. Asru Vadanam Vivatsamiva Mataram. As and how if a mother loses the children, So how the mother cries, so also this Gomata is crying. Then Dharma Devata, who is there in the form of Vrishabham, is now inquiring with Gomata, asking that, "Ho Gomata, Ho Kalyani, Nayanambha కణజాలమేల విడువన్నాతల్లి నీమేను సామయమై ఉన్నది మోమువాడినది." Are you happy? Are you feeling okay? Is there anything that is bothering you? Like this Dharma Devata, Vrishabham, is inquiring Gomata, Bhumata, who is there in the form of Gomata. Also asking, is any kind of disease suffering you? Why are you crying? Is all your relatives away from you? Why are you crying? Why there is no other 3 legs? I can't see them. Only 1 leg you are walking on. Are you feeling this suffering because undeserved people are ruling you? Oh Gomata, why are you crying? Is that because Devatas are not getting their Yajna Bhagam, not getting their oblations from the Yajnas? Is that the reason you are crying? Oh Gomata, are you crying because Indra is not giving the rain? Oh Gomata, are you crying because Arakshyamanaha Striyaha, because there is no protection to the women? Is that the reason you are crying? Oh Gomata, are you crying because the children are being tortured by bad people? Is that the reason you are crying? Oh Gomata, are you crying because Brahmanas are not learning Vedas and chanting Vedas? Oh Gomata, are you crying because Brahmanas are doing all bad kind of activities and Vacham Devim Brahmakule Kukarmani? The Saraswati Devi is not happy being in the hands of Brahmanas. Is that the reason you are crying? Like this, Dharma Devata, who is there in Vrishabha Rupam, inquiring Bhumata, who is there in Gomata Rupam. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Sri Vallabheti Varadeti Dayapareti Bhaktapriyeti Bhavaluntanako Videti Nadheti Nagasayaneti Jagannivaseti Alapanam Pratipadam Kurume Mukunda. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Amarasatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 48th sloka. Yogasthaha Kuru Karmani संगं त्यक्त्वा धनञ्जय सिद्ध्यसिद्ध्योः समो भूत्वा समत्वं योग उच्यते। श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव। सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु। जय श्रीमन्नारायण।